They lied to you. They promised efficiency, precision, and smarter farming. They said a new tractor would be an investment. But in 2026, it's a trap. A financial trap dressed up as progress. You think you're buying a machine. You think this is a tool for your farm. But here's the truth, they didn't sell you equipment. They sold you a bill that never stops. You're buying ongoing payments disguised as features. Modern tractors aren't just steel and hydraulics anymore. They're computers on wheels. Software-controlled systems. Every screen, every sensor, every automated function is tied to a license you don't fully own. Start with the upfront cost, $350,000 to $500,000 for a high-end tractor. That's just the beginning. Add precision farming subscriptions, GPS guidance, auto steer, yield mapping. $1,500 to $5,000 per year. Miss one payment. Features vanish. You still have the hardware, but you can't operate it fully. Then there's software updates. They arrive automatically, without warning. Features you paid for can be reduced, restricted, or removed entirely. Performance throttled. Engine modes limited. Even diagnostics can vanish. You thought you owned a machine. You don't. You rent it, on their terms. Repairs are worse. Forget DIY. Modern tractors are locked down. Only authorized dealers with proprietary software can fix them. Miss a service contract. Your machine becomes partially useless. Every day of downtime costs thousands. Crops go unplanted. Yields drop. Money evaporates, and this isn't random. This is intentional. The manufacturers realize that selling tractors once isn't profitable enough. Subscriptions, service contracts, and software licenses create a steady, recurring cash flow. Every restriction, every lock, every update is designed to extract more money from farmers. It's the tech subscription model, now embedded in agriculture. Let's break it down with real numbers. A $400,000 tractor. Add $3,000 per year for GPS and auto steer. $1,500 for diagnostics. $2,000 for mandatory updates. One missed payment, and your machine locks. Your planting schedule stalls. Crop yields decline. One season, $10,000 lost. 2 seasons, $25,000. And the next generation of tractors is even more software reliant. Some farmers have reported losing full access mid-season. Auto steer disabled. Yield mapping offline. Engine performance throttled. The very machine they counted on to be reliable turns against them, and it gets worse. These systems update remotely. That means even if you never miss a payment, your tractor can change overnight. A feature you relied on yesterday may not exist today. Over-the-air updates control what your machine does. You wake up, and it's not the same tractor. This is the breaking point. You realize you're not investing in equipment. You're investing in recurring payments, uncertainty, and dependency. And the industry profits while you shoulder all the risk, but there is a way out. A growing number of farmers are quietly taking back control. It's called the offline operation loophole. The principle is simple: limit connectivity, regain independence, bypass unnecessary software locks. Keep your tractor offline during critical operations. Avoid automatic updates that restrict features. Use older firmware versions that don't enforce subscriptions. And partner with independent technicians for diagnostics and repairs. Not just the dealership. Here's how to implement it. Step 1. Research the equipment before you buy. Ask what happens if subscriptions lapse. Avoid machines that lock you out entirely. Step 2. Consider slightly older models. They retain most modern capabilities but don't demand ongoing software payments. Step 3. Disable or limit internet connectivity when possible. No auto updates. No cloud checks. Control remains in your hands. Step 4. Learn basic diagnostics or partner with independent mechanics. Don't rely solely on dealer software. Step 5. Maintain backups, firmware versions, and manuals. Prepare for any attempt to restrict your access. Farmers applying this strategy operate without fear of sudden lockouts. They plant on time. They harvest efficiently. They sleep better at night. They aren't paying for convenience, they're paying for control. Smart operators now realize, convenience is temporary. Control is permanent. Ownership isn't about the newest, flashiest tractor, it's about independence and reliability, and this isn't just about tractors. The same hidden systems are infiltrating fertilizer supply, crop insurance, and even land access. If you think buying equipment is a one-time expense, think again. The rules are changing, and almost no one is paying attention, so the question is, are you investing in your farm, or are you investing in someone else's recurring revenue? The answer determines whether you prosper,